I want another baby. I want another baby. I love my son. I want.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another video on Wull on the channel. Naturally, I ask everybody when you for subscribe before watching the intro shot, so we are jumping on a video.
What I want to know, World Dog, is so no me look good. Oh, you not post me. The people them want to know, you know. Some of the people them afraid to talk. Tagging people, tagging.
Right, guys, so Macka Diamond break silence and World Dog na post her none at all, you see me? And in a what year when she look the worst, you see me? The most post and style she get.
Yeah, people, me have something to say to you know. I even wish you talk the truth. You know that agree with me. You notice a couple of years ago when I go through something, I go through my thing, I go through some things in my life. And also they have to change my diet because that's the only way I thought would have kind of shed some light to what I go through. But notice, them time I don't know nothing about filter picture and do certain things to picture, whatever, or use Snapchat, like when I use a Snapchat video now, can I just wake up and I want kind of look, you know, smooth out. So basically just take my picture, them and do my video, them and do what I do. Because I just deal with the social media thing. But not honest thing, I never understand the social media thing. And I remember good to them time there. World Dog, anytime I post nothing, them run with it and them this and them that and them put me all up on page and Ray and all these things. But I tell you something, World Dog. I know say me do business where with the transaction I do promo for me already. Mix up in all of the foolishness where you do to me. But just turn it in a fun and turn it in a joy. So when I want to know World Dog is, so no me look good. Oh, you not post me, the people them want to know, you know. Some of the people them afraid to talk. Tag him, people, tag him. Come on, no, I'm not post me. My song, Big Man versus Young Girl, it hot. I'm look good right now. I'm hot. I'm a glow. You don't want to post me. When I go through my detoxing and when I take my herbs, them, I'm just change my diet and all of these things. But when I change the diet, I go look away and I lose a couple pounds and all these things. Because I have to break down my body and to rebuild all of these good cells all over again. So now, I look good and I look nice. We're like, oh, you not post me? We don't understand it. It not look good. It not look good. Something not right. It not right. Something not right. We're like, it not add up. Me not eat that. It not add up. Something not right. And all of a sudden, you're not. No, you used to in my DM and chat to me good. No, I'm not telling me I tell you something, World Dog. I ask you something. I pay them, I pay you. Them they pay for try to bring me down. Because all comes now. I go through all of what I go through. And I look better now. And I look more uplifting. Because my spirit uplift. And I go through all of them the tragedy and the stress I go through. Because I have all it in the World Dog. I when that post and a display and some of my pictures, them never look right for true. And I never look right because I go through certain things. And I never talk. And I hold me one and all it in the World Dog and you post them, I still laugh it off because I'm good them way there. I'm good them way there. When people try to bring me down, I make it turn into fun and some stay. So now you tell me look good now, and me I strive, and me I look good, and me think look good, and me have ad song, and me I link you now for promote my ad song, and you not answer me, I ignore me, so then pay you all of that too. So I pay them pay if you bring me down, and when I reach up now, that you still get paid to ignore me or something, and that I want to know. Because
I can't see with her, guys. But anyways, so Shenseea make a recent snap say, yo, she need a baby, she want a baby. She kind of contrary at the same time, but you know. So, the reason why I'm going to use the word contrary too. Because this minute she's single and la, she no want no man. And next minute, miss want a man, want a. You see me?
I want another baby. I want another baby. I love my son. I want another son. And I want a girl. Or I can have 3 sons and a girl. I'm 24. I got my money. What am I waiting for? Can I have some sperm? Somebody? I want another baby.
Got good man, you get your youth man, mama. Just mess up all, I don't even know some me know when me young until me realize say, yo, John, what did that? You see me? But Spice and Chug it have some misunderstanding and some problem with him. Try get the solution to you don't know the owner. Name Andrew French. Him then I thumbnail at the description in I suit. So him say we would first like to apologize to all our patrons for the disappointment associated with the staging featuring Spice. Yes, my guys, the man say as Spice will confirm all obligation to the artists were fulfilled and payment was received by Spice, inclusive of deposit also. So reimbursement them are gonna make, you don't know, she get back her money, full balance, and other associate expense. You see me more than 6 months before she was set to perform.
2 o'clock when me say me that go live, this wouldn't happen to me. Me too enough. Me too enough. Me love people too much. I don't care how people fuck me up, me still continue to look out for people. You never know. Eh? Me still a continue to look out for people. No care. Enough. When me call my manager today, you know my manager said to me, my manager said you should not be doing this show. I'm not sure why you're going through so much to do this show. My manager said you should not be doing the show from the breach this contract. You should not be doing the show. I mean, not listen. Pass the text when Louis tell you what time I'm a performance. Pass it. Chug it on a wicked. You never have it put it up on my phone when time I saw it certain show. If you want to see the performance time, you want to tell me. If you can see the performance time, you want to type the performance time. See? Leash said 9 p.m. Louis said my performance time is 9 p.m. Issa said we see it. Tayeri said 9 p.m. Tayeri, you mix up here. Oh, you're in the room and you're time for time.
No, because them style the thing and is them not be honest, bro. Them style the thing and them switch up Elsie word when we did in front of them when we did a talk to Louis and Louis switch up the word. Him switch up Elsie name, the word, whatever the conversation was when we did out there in the restaurant, them switch up every single thing and say, Elsie, we tell Elsie say a certain time when we never tell them that. We tell them, give we itinerary, give we every information what we need at 12 o'clock. Midnight and 12 o'clock midnight pass. Still never
stick up in. Stick up in. Elsie say me, hear me Elsie. What a man your name? Louis. When I promoter say me I perform 9 o'clock. And when we reach at the venue, him say police lock off the venue 9 o'clock. You want to tell me say you never know what time the state give you the venue until? Cause me a promoter, me keep Spicy Friday, me keep all kind of something. When time you're going to one venue, the people them tell you what time them give you until. So you know say 9 o'clock the venue did a lock off. You rob me fans them, you spitefully take me fans them money and never want me perform. Cause you don't want to come back and say you want back money on this on that on that. You can't sue me but you cannot win. Makeup artists, come here, Deandra Nasworthy. Let me flip the camera again. This is my live receipt them. Me come off of my live receipt. What time you reach? Me come off of my paper my receipt. Voila, me flip back the camera. Me have all of my paper receipt them when me I go a court. So anytime Chug it ready for sue me have all of my receipt them. So but me I go come off of my paper receipt and me I go for my human receipt. This is my live receipt now. Voila, the Deandra.
Yes.
What time did you come here to do my makeup?
I came here about 2:45 so I can set up for 3 o'clock.
All right. What happened when you came at 3 o'clock?
They said the time pushed back. So I said, okay, well, let me know what the update is. So they said you're performing later on at 9 o'clock. So we said, okay, we'll come later on around 7 o'clock to start makeup. So
you left the hotel at 3?
Yes.
And what happened?
Went back home to come back later.
And you came back here what time?
At what time? 7.
Why you come back at 7 again?
Because they pushed the time back again.
Okay.
So
that is my human receipt. Come in at the courthouse, I'm tired. Because me have to take bad things, make joke. This is my next human receipt. Well, this is my human receipt, them.
Let me talk. Last night, okay, one thing. I don't know if you know me, but my rate spicy. I mean, not all over.
You can't do it, Camille is a push off for me. You cannot do it.
She don't like woman. She tell me from 2009.
She don't talk all over me. Me don't like people touch me up.
Yeah. But one thing about Tahiri. Anytime when them ask or say nothing, I always look up or stand up. You see, from when they at the restaurant last night, that man came, Mr. Louis, you come and you talk to it. And even when Elsie was talking, Tahiri did not have any business butting in that argument, because guess what? That is Spice, booking manager or booking agent, or that is her
manager. Deal with the business. And your part say just leave her to do with the business, because you're a dancer.
You see, because true, I also realize this is my ground. I live in Miami. I live at Fort Lauderdale. I mean, I down here all the time. No part of me come here and say, I wish part them keep it. And I said to the guy, even when they were speaking, I said, on the shore, say 8 o'clock, really, I look after even there, because when you have certain things over them rich area there, them things they know
what time it lock off.
Early thing. Normally we have bad party and big bad party we come from Jamaica, and yeah, in a Winwood them keep it in a Winwood, them keep it over one part, the side, we out in a ocean water where you can take boat and all these things to come bring a guy the event. And over there so them keep it. And even with that, I explained that to him and him say, oh yeah man, it was just a lot of things and it was so hard to get this and so hard to get that. Not a lie. You see when time we did that, Elsie said, make us know everything before Spice wake up.
Can't get no we couldn't get no itinerary.
You just me say Spicy cannot get no information before she wake up. We need to get the information before we go to bed. 12 o'clock midnight.